Let's do this. Let's do this. I didn't see you there. There. Let's do some cositas. There is no sound on this cosita. Why must there not be any sound on cositas? Okay, this is super easy. This is the third night, just so you guys know. Oh, yeah, right.
They tried to remake Foxy, you know? They thought the first one was too scary, so they redesigned him to be more kid-friendly, put him in Kids Cove to keep the toddlers entertained, you know? But kids these days just can't keep their hands to themselves.
Get out, Fox.
The staff literally had to put Foxy back together in every shift. Eventually, they just stopped trying and left him some kind of take-apart, put-back-together attraction. Now he's just a mess of parts. I think the employees refer to him as just the mangle. Oh, hey, before I go, I wanted to ease your mind about any rumors you might have heard lately. You know how these local stories come and go and seldom mean anything. I can personally assure you that whatever is going on out there, however tragic it may be, has nothing to do with our establishment. It's just all rumor and speculation, people trying to make a buck, you know. Our guard during the day has reported nothing unusual, and he's on watch from opening till close. Okay, well anyway, hang in there and I'll talk with you tomorrow.
Not you and Withered Bonnie. Bon Shoe. Wait, then who's here? No one. And Foxy left. It's just Withered Bon. No, the music box. Do I have to wind this up? Oh. It's gone. Someone's in the ear vents. Who playing with my ear vents? Those cost the money. Yeah!
Yo te estaba abriendo la pizza, pero luego me vine a escribir. ¿No está tu mamá? ¿No está tu mamá? ¿O le dijiste que vas a venir a jugar? O ve con él y pues me dile que vas a estar conmigo. Tal vez les dijo, ¿vas a venir o no? No te gustó su tiempo por estar jugando como estúpido. Déjalo en paz, pues.
What's happening? No! Oh, give life anything? I'll give gifts. It's a marionette. Oh no, I hate this jump scare. Golden Freddy's gonna jump. Okay. Stop. Everybody's.
Why don't you go to church?
I'm playing. I have Friday to pretty
You
soon.
woke up late.
Huh?
You woke up late.
No.
Le mandé mensaje a tu madre.
I'm playing with the marionette.
Diga, váyanse a jugar al cuarto. Ya no
Dijo
tiene
que no, se había fijado en el mensaje. Y me estaba que no iba a ver church.
Can you believe I'm playing this minigame?
Let me see it.
I'm playing the Give Life minigame.
There should be a Freddy, Golden Freddy jump scare.
I know. I was gonna get ready for it. Move, Marionette. Move.
Does it take a long time to move?
It takes a long time to move everyone in the minigames.
Okay.
Oh, I go like this.
You have to kind of pull him or
This is Freddy, right?
No, it's whenever you finish it.
Oh!
First time I've ever.
Yes, and it's on. It's recording. Yes.
First time I actually get jump scared by Freddy.
Woo!
Golden Freddy, I mean. We get jump scared by Freddy.
Rate, comment, subscribe. Goodbye.